Class, I welcome you all to this session. This session we are going to discuss category 3, 4, 5 and 6. A, B are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. They admit C for 1/5 share in the profit. C acquires 1/5 of a share from A and 4/5 share from B. So the old ratio of old partners A and B are 3:2. Now C is admitted for 1/5 share. Okay. A's sacrifice 1/5, 1/5, 1/5 of his share from A. They admit C for 1/5 share in profit. C acquires 1/5 of his share from A. So 1/5 into 1/5, 1/5. Okay. What is it? C acquires 1/5 of his share from A and 4/5 share from B. Okay, C acquires 1/5 of a share from A and 4/5 share from B. C acquires 1/5 of a share from A and 4/5 share from B. So A's share, 1/5 of share is acquired from A. So C share, total share is 1/5. Adala 1/5 is acquired by A. So how much A sacrifice? 1/25. Similarly, B's sacrifice would be C's share into 4/5. What is C shares? C share is 1/5 into 4/5, which happens to be 4/25. So the new ratio is equal to old ratio minus sacrificing ratio. Okay, what is the old ratio? A's old ratio is 3/5 minus sacrificing ratio is 1/25. In order to equalize, I am multiplying by 5. So 15 by minus 1/25, which happens to be 14/25. B's ratio 2/5 minus 4/25, which happens to be 10 minus 4 divided by 25. Okay, and 6/25. Now new profit sharing ratio of A, B and C is 14/25 is to 6/25 is to 1/5. So this is multiplied by 5. So 14 is to 6 is to 5. So this is the new profit sharing ratio. So we have completed the category 3. I hope that you are able to see this. So I'm just keeping the book so that you can see what is the new profit sharing ratio of A, B and C. Now the fourth category. I'll just read the fourth category. XYZ are partners in the ratio of 3:2:1. W joins the firm as a new partner for 1/6 share in profit. Z would retain his original share. Now Z is retaining his original share, which means X and Y only will be compensating W, will be sacrificing for W. Okay, so just X and Y, what is the old ratio? Old ratio of X, Y and Z will be 3:2:1. So W is admitted for 1/6 share. W is admitted for 1/6 share. So let total share of partners be 1. So idhula 1 what is W share? 1/6. This is W share. And there's one more person called Z. Z does retains his original share. Okay, so original share. So what is the original share of Z? 1/6. Okay, so 1/6. So it happens to be 6 minus 1 minus 1 divided by 6, because this will be so I'll just interpret this in so that you can understand. 6/6 is otherwise called as 1 minus 1/6 minus 1/6. So I'm just commonizing the denominator. It happens to be 6. So 6 minus 1 minus 1. Okay. So this is how you derive at this. So 6 minus 2 will be 4/6. So this 4/6 has to be segregated between X and Y. So the new ratio of X and Y is old ratio into combined share of X and Y. What is the combined share of X and Y? 4/6. So the new old ratio is 3/6. I'm sorry, 3/5, because it's only X and Y. So 3:2. So 3/5. I'm just writing it again. 3/5 into 4/6, which is 12/30. Similarly for, this is for X. Similarly for Y, it is 2/5 into 4/6, 8/30. So the new profit sharing ratio between X, Y and Z will be 12/30, 8/30, 1/6 is to 1/6, or multiplied by 5. It's 12:8:5:5. So this is the new profit sharing ratio or category 4. Now we are going to read the category 5. A, B are equal partners. They admit C and D as partners with 1/5 and 1/6 share respectively. So this one, I'll just take a fresh page. 5th category. So 5th category, you have old ratio of A and B, equal partners, so 1:1. Then C is admitted for 1/5 share and D is admitted for 1/6 share. Okay, so let the combined share of all partners, let total share of all partners after admission of C and D be 1. Okay, so 1 minus C's share and D's share will give you share of A and B combined. Okay, so 1 minus 1/5 minus 1/6. So I can take this as, I should multiply this with 6 and I should multiply this with 5 so that my denominator is equalized, right? So my denominator, so 6 by 30 minus 5 by 30 minus 30 by 30. So this is how I get 1 here. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm just doing it again. 30 by 30 minus multiply by 6 by 30 minus 5 by 30. So it is 30 minus 11. So 30 minus 11 is 19 by 30. This is the combined share of A and B. But we need to segregate how much is A and how much is B. Okay, so the new B share, new ratio, old ratio into combined share of A and B. Okay, so combined share of A and B. Old ratio is how much? 1 by 2 into combined share 19 divided by 30. So how will I get 30 here? So into, so just multiply 19 by 60. Okay, this is for A. For B it is 1 by 2 into 19 by 30 again, so 19 by 60. So the new profit sharing ratio between them is 19 by 60 is to 19 by 60 is to 1 by 5 is to 1 by 6. So I need to equalize this. So I'll just multiply this with 12 and I'll just multiply this with 10. So I'm getting 19 is to 19 is to 12 is to 10. This is my new profit sharing ratio. The last category that we have supposed to go through. Last category, 6th one. So I'll just read the question. A and B are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. C admitted for 1/4 the share. A and D decide to share equally in future. So decide to share equally in the future. So this is how it is. So old ratio is equal to A and B, which happens to be 3:2. So C admitted for 1/4 share. C is admitted for 1/4 share of profits. Okay, so the total share of all partners after C's admission B1. Okay, B1. Then combined share of A and B after C's admission will be 1 minus C's share. So 1 minus 1/4, which happens to be 3/4. So the new ratio of A and B each is combined share of A and B into 1/2. Okay, so the new ratio of A and B happens to be 3/4 into 1/2 is equal to 3/8. So the new profit sharing ratio 3/8 is to 1/4. So I'm going to multiply this with 2. So 3:3:2. This is the new profit sharing ratio. So we have completed the entire category. So I want all of you to try these other problems. They are all similar to this type only. So if you have any doubts, you can ask me. Okay, in the next class we will be discussing when premium for goodwill is paid privately. So that this part and also goodwill part we will be discussing. Thank you class. I'll see you in the next video.